Today, we are going to paint an ugly orange. First, roughly outline its basic shape. Pay attention to the projection lines here. The light and dark boundary is not just one line. It must transition both upward and downward. If it's a flat surface, this must be considered. Once the specific shape is done, we start laying down the colors. First, unify the entire dark area. Then, further adjust the tones. Here's something to note. Don't touch the light gray areas before we've fully worked on the dark tones. Next, we move on to the smudging step. We need to pay attention to the method. First, smudge the light and dark boundary projection lines. Then, smudge the small gray areas across the entire dark region. You can use your hand or a sponge ball to gently rub it. Smudge following the volume of the object. After smudging, there should be no sharp lines in the dark areas. We keep sharp lines in the light gray areas instead. Afterward, adjust the dark areas again, doing enough work to make further shaping easier. When shaping the upper part of the ugly orange, you must capture its features. Lay the lines according to its volume direction. The same goes for shaping the light gray areas of the ugly orange. Make sure your brushwork follows the structure and volume of the orange. For highlights, you can press them out with your brush strokes. Did you learn it?